Hello everyone, my name is CK. I'm the Senior Design and Application Engineer from ebm-papst, Southeast Asia. Today, I'll be presenting our EC Axial fan, the AxiCool series. AxiCool fans keep goods in cold storage fresh and clean while minimizing energy consumption. The fan itself is perfect for evaporator usage, as the airflow rates can go up to 24,600 cubic meter per hour. All of its components are optimized for commercial and industrial usage. Let's dive in to discover how. The patented double wall housing has integrated channels. This enables water drainage, leading to shorter defrosting cycles. Next, it has a track for the heating tape. This further optimizes defrosting cycles. Its aerodynamic design has also been enhanced for efficiency and quiet operation. As you can see, it has few screws, making it easy to install. Similarly, the impeller is made out of tough composite material. The profile blade geometry and winglets enable greater efficiency and quiet operation. In the center, you will find the electronically commutated or EC motor. This compact external rotor motor has been integrated into the axial impeller. On top of it being highly efficient, it does not heat up quickly, minimizing heat losses. Its IP55 protection class provides optimum protection against splash water. Notably, it has variable speed control with 0 to 10 VTC or PWM control signal and robust RTU. The motor is also highly durable thanks to the maintenance-free ball bearings and brushless commutation. The guide vanes have been integrated as well. This minimizes flow turbulence for maximum efficiency and minimum noise production. Finally, you have the guide grill. Its innovative design helps to minimize pressure losses. The center covers the motor, offering further protection against splash water. That's all the AxiCool features we will discuss today. That being said, there is so much more to learn about AxiCool fan series. For example, this version of AxiCool is available in sizes 500, 630 and 800mm diameter. We also have a smaller version available in sizes 300, 350 and 450mm diameter. The small AxiCool is available with or without hinges and guide vanes, allowing customers to select their ideal axial fan. To learn more about AxiCool series, feel free to contact me or my colleague. We will be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.